scrape on the charge pipe. There's brake lights because I was going to hit the gas. That's why, kind of like this. What's going on, everybody? All right, this can be first moto vlog for 2025. We're taking the Challenger out today. I figured, you know, today was going to be a great day to do it, and of course, you know, it's got to rain, right? You know, look at the goddamn sky. Look at that, like seriously? the one friggin' day I get that I can actually go and do this, and it's gonna rain. So I'm still gonna do it because you know what? It's gonna be really spotty today, and well, personally, I don't give a shit. We're just doing it. It's awesome because you know, like, it's gonna be, you know, it's a rear mount turbo system, and we're going for a drive kind of in the rain. What could possibly go wrong, right? Anywho, so thought I'd just give you guys a little intro here, and welcome to SRT8 Boost for 2025. We'll see you on the road. All right, we're in the car. So if you're new to the channel, my channel name's SRT8 Boost. Obviously you're in a Turbo Challenger. And this is, as I said, outside of the car. This is the first vlog for 2025. And I gotta stop saying Anyway, I'm gonna be going a little bit up north because you know, as I've said in the past, a lot of my past videos, the traffic is just insane. Doesn't matter what time of the day it is, it's always insane. So thought I'd bring you guys with me. You can have a little bit of enjoyment. So I hope you can see everything okay. I love this new road they paved here. This is where I did the aerial footage for my Ram with the drone there. It was such a nice spot. I was literally about to do it with this car, except I really don't want to put the drone up in the air when it's raining. Just kind of not cool. So, not cool at all. All right, let's roll the windows down a little bit. You guys can get a little sound. I feel like we should probably send one over here. I know it's wet out, but fuck it, let's do it. Woo. Nice. And that, sir, is how you start a video. So me and Nick Full Throttle, if you don't know him, he is the gentleman that always comes for rides with his Harley V-Rod, the night edition. So he's also my mechanic, and thank you to Mr. Nick, because we spent a little bit of time each day. You know, it's hard, right? It's hard segregating time with work, with everything else, so family, you know. Anyway, we switched the coil packs, we switched the O2 sensors. This thing had a whole bunch of shit wrong with it. And personally speaking, I mean, we still haven't got to the bottom of it, but we're getting there. We're getting there. At least the sputtering has stopped. Oh shit, that's a red light. Red light camera. It's fucking ridiculous. The counter went down and then it stayed green. So obviously I'm gonna go. And you know, as soon as I pull up to it, then it turns yellow. God damn it. God damn it. Anyway, I mean, I usually send one around here too, but I'm gonna friggin' floor it in that big truck right over there. Probably gonna pull out. Oh, never know if it's a cop, right? And that's how you lose your license. So what's new with all you? Hope everything's good for you. Leave me a comment, you know. Tell me what's good or bad or whatever. All good. Oh, good. You just had to turn right when I was turning too, right? Super. Make this a slow ride. Oh yeah, forgot how rough that is. Anywho, so I haven't really been driving the car that much because on the AFR, which you can see right here, basically when I was on par throttle, it was literally sitting between 9 and 10. And for those of you who don't know that, that means it's basically dumping fuel. And so we had an issue with a wire connector for the O2. One of the little prongs on the inside of the slot basically had pushed in, and it pushed the wire out on the back. So I'm assuming it may have been a vibration or, you know, something like that. The other side, so driver side, the O2 sensor in front of the well, what used to be a cat. Anyways, that was gone. We had to replace that one. We also replaced another one on the other side too, just because. I mean, I hate to do all that. Lower the car down, start the motor, and you still have an O2 problem, and you got to jack the car back up. And again, this is all done on the driveway, right? One day I will have a hoist, but for now, it is what it is. Sorry, Nick. Anyway, so that's basically it. We had to do all that, and it was just sputtering. Like even on par throttle, it was just like you could tell like it was missing a few cylinders as it was driving. So, you know, you got to make time, change the coil packs, right? And that's what we did. Jesus, just my God. People are fucking retarded, man. Yeah, let's fucking send a little one here. Woo. So she's running a lot better. I mean, getting boost. I'm sitting around 12 psi right now, so I still kind of have that throttle issue where it's like you can feel the pedal, not actually feel the, it feels like you're letting off on the gas and then pushing back down again. So that is the symptom, and we're like coming to, you know, our wits end with this, because it's like the only thing left is I got to try putting the factory throttle body back on. And I feel like because that thing is literally almost brand new, right now I have an Arrington 90 mil that I've had on this car since, I want to say, it was 2 years old. So I'm laughing because back then at that time I said, I kind of like told myself, nope, you're not doing anything in this car. It's great the way it is, just slap an exhaust on it. And here I am with a gigantic built motor and a turbo and built tranny. Yeah, so that one went out the window. That's why I'm laughing. Pretty funny shit. Oh, kind of look like it pissed over here. Jesus. Anyway, I don't even remember what I was talking about. Shit. That's okay. Either way, intern, we got all that done, and I think that's the last thing I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try switching the air filter as well on the turbo. See if I mean, it could be really dirty, right? I haven't driven this in the winter. It's been a long time. It just cakes up the air filter way too much. Like, I'll drive it around the subdivision just to move it a bit, but you know, you're talking about like 30 kilometers an hour at most, because, you know, my area, there's all these fucking, not speed bumps, but speed humps with an H, like Harry, right? So yeah, my charge pipe under the car really enjoys scraping against those so-called speed bumps. So, yeah, I'm not going too fast in the subdivision. That's really nice over there. Wow, wouldn't it be nice if both these cars turned at the same... Oh my... Wow, would you look at that? Thank you, universe. That was very kind of you. Now I see more brake lights up there. Why is there brake lights? There's brake lights because I was gonna hit the gas. That's why, kind of like this. Oh yeah, second gear is great. Second gear is great. I also have a set of Stop Tech brakes on the car too. So this thing, like, when you want it to stop, oh, it's stopping. It is stopping. Like, I'm not sponsored by them by any means, but man, oh man, you guys are gonna get some brakes. Those are great. Friggin' love them. Just cruising along. See, I really wanted to get some drone footage of this area. Friggin' love this spot. Because it's like one of the only roads close by that actually isn't completely straight. Or there's actually a turn. Look at that. Look, I know, I've brought you guys down this road many times. Oh, look at the big cows. Hey, fellas. Oh, now I kind of feel bad to rip it here. There's too many cows. I don't want to freak them out. That's not nice. Just get like a little spool up in there. Yeah, like this area would have been really cool with the drone. You know, it's kind of raining, right? Yeah, it's kind of wet here too. Double scrape on the charge pipe. That's my fault. And you know something? Because I haven't been out for a little while with the car, you know, you kind of forget like the little spots where you don't fucking do that. And guess what? That was two of those spots. I usually hop over to the center there because it's obviously higher in the middle. Love the view here. It's friggin' awesome. See, this is another spot. I did a couple of shots with when I had the Durango. I'm sure you guys remember that. So. Anyway, I was gonna rip it, but the road's way too wet around here. Well, that's okay. It's all good. You know what? I got a couple in. Problem is, you need so much room, right? This car friggin', you know, 1 second you're at like 30 kilometers an hour, and then boom, you're at 120. So, oh, see, there's the spot. That would have been a scraper right there for sure. Fucking scraper. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end it over here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me, you know, give me the truth. You liked it, you didn't like it, doesn't matter. Still like it. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. It's been fun. Okay, take care.